Okay, so today we're going to talk about how do plants grow? So how do plants grow? When seeds are planted, they first grow roots. Once these roots take a hold, a small plant will begin to emerge and eventually break through the soil. When this happens, we say that the seed has sprouted. This is called germination. So when we think about how plants grow, we kind of need to think how we grow too. What do you think that humans need to grow and survive? We definitely need food, so meats and protein. We need vegetables. We need fruit. We definitely need oxygen and water. I think the human body can go I think it's 3 weeks without food, and it's only can go 3 days without water. And if there's no oxygen, we're dead within 30 seconds. So after we've talked about how we grow and survive, what do you think plants need to grow and survive? So we talked about how we need food and water and oxygen. How do you think plants are similar? Plants need sunlight. Plants need water just like we do. They need carbon dioxide as we need oxygen. And they need soil, right? I think they need soil. Overall, plants need food and water, and sunlight and carbon dioxide help the plant create the food that it needs, as well as the water. But what does the soil really do? And as we've talked about, humans and plants are similar in what they need to survive, which is food and water. Is there anything that plants don't need to grow and survive? Maybe something that we talked about that wasn't food or water. So that's going to be soil. Now, plants don't really need soil because soil is kind of the base where, the plant's roots, once they finally sprout, they hold on to and they grow bigger. But soil really isn't essential to the plant growth. It doesn't provide any nutrients. It really only holds the nutrients in. So when it rains, the soil holds the water in and all the nutrients, and the plant takes the soil and nutrient or the water and nutrients out of the soil, but it isn't essential for plant growth. But how can plants grow without soil? Water and carbon dioxide, as I've said, carbon dioxide from the air gives the plant the 3 essential nutrients that it needs to gain matter, which is carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. And it needs the water and the carbon dioxide. So we are going to watch this video that's going to tell us all about plant growth. Maybe.
Today, with the power.
How much dirt is in a hole that's 2 meters long, 1 meter wide, and 1 meter deep? Give up? None. There's no dirt in a hole. But speaking of dirt, you're probably pretty familiar with how dirt plays an important part in growing plants. After all, flower pots would be pretty empty without it. But if we ranked all the things that plants need in order to survive, dirt would actually be at the bottom of the list. Which seems kind of weird, right? But that's true that it is the mother If you take a bean seed, place it in a paper cup along with a wet paper towel and put it in the light, what happens? In a few days, you'll have the beginnings of a baby plant, and it'll grow pretty well for a while. That's because we're making sure it has water and light, and it can get the gases it needs from the air, and the seed itself provides enough nutrients to get things going. Plants can grow without dirt through hydroponics. We can grow beans in a setup that looks like this one. As you can see, we're giving the plant the water that it needs, but it's not growing in dirt because nutrients have been mixed in with the water. So the plant still needs what all other plants need. It just gets them in some different ways. People often use hydroponics to grow food like tomatoes and lettuce, especially in places where the dirt doesn't have a lot of nutrients. In fact, you may have enjoyed the results of hydroponics in your lunch and not even know it. So plants have specialized parts called organs to get the resources that they need to survive. And plants manage to snag that stuff using their leaves, where most photosynthesis takes place. Stems, which move the materials like sugar, water, and nutrients between the roots and leaves, and roots, which keep the plant in place and soak up water and nutrients. And using hydroponics, plants can grow without soil, which is totally cool, because as long as the plant can get the resources it needs, it's able to grow into a happy and healthy plant. So, there's no dirt, just like in that hole.
So from that, we're going to talk about any misconceptions that you guys might have or students might have with plants growing without soil. And that is soil playing a major part in plant growth, but it not being essential. So it gives the roots support and holds the water for the plant whenever it needs it, and it will hold those nutrients, but it's not essential to plant growth like water and air, because the plant can basically do everything on its own, as the video showed you.